These are the parts of the cell. Mainly inside of us, in case you didn't know, I'ma tell you. You have to get through the cell. You gotta get through the membrane. I know I might sound strange, but my rhymes are so insane.
Every cell has a nucleus, which is the cell's brain. But before I go there, I may need a bite to eat. So I'm going to the bathroom because that's where we will meet. Since this is a long trip, I need to stay away. I'm going to the middle of time to give me a rebel shake.
While I'm over there, I'll take in all the energy I need, and I'll probably enjoy the sights of the organelles to see. Later, I'm going downtown through the cytoplasm for a joyride and get through the ribosome maze to see what's inside.
So I made it to the nucleus. That's where the party is at. I made it to the cell now. I think I'll take a nap.